Imagine this, you have a friend in Japan and you want to call them. But wait, is the time in the Philippines the same as in Japan? Not really. Different parts of the world have different times. These are called time zones. The world is divided into time zones because the Earth rotates. Example, Philippines, GMT plus 8. Japan, GMT plus 9. And Dubai, GMT plus 4. Let's try one. Dito muna sa Philippines and Japan. Sa Philippines at Japan ha, if the time in the Philippines is 3 p.m., what time is it in Japan? Step 1. Find the time difference. Japan plus 1 hour lang sa Pilipinas. Saan galing yon? Dito oh, ahead yung Japan ng 1 hour sa Philippines. Kaya mag-a-add tayo ng 1. Step 2, add 1 hour. Sa Philippines, 3 p.m., mag-a-add tayo ng 1 hour plus 1 hour. The answer is 4 p.m. So, in Japan, it is 4 p.m. Here's another one. Question. If it is 6 p.m. in the Philippines, what time is it in Dubai? Step 1, difference. GMT sa Philippines ay plus 8. Sa Dubai naman, ang GMT nila ay plus 4. So, may 4. I-minus natin yon because Dubai is 4 hours behind. Kung sa Philippines ay 6 p.m. minus 4 hours. So, step 2, subtract. Then, in Dubai, it is 2 p.m. Let's remember, find the time zone of each country. Next, identify the time difference and add if the country is ahead, subtract if the country is behind. Dagdagan natin to, i-comment mo lang.